Okay, so today is second day of the weekend and today is Sunday. So we are going to 3 cities nearby one by one, and we're traveling around the scooter. So let's pick Ingrid up and let's go.
Are you ready, kid?
We have a great breakfast and sweet cinnamon rolls, and we now go with explore the cities nearby one by one. Yes?
Yay!
So we arrived at the top spot on the city, and here's the garden. I don't know what's one of this garden, but it's like very nice. At some point at one of the 3 cities, and we found very strange stairs. So we arrived at beautiful, very beautiful place, and here in summertime it would be much more nicer because water would be much warmer, but still it's very beautiful for today, and weather it's very beautiful also. Okay, after spend some time in here, we are leaving this place and we are going to get some nice pictures of sunset in another island side. So yeah. So yeah, we arrived at this nice place. It's like actually cliffs, but not really. It's some kind of tower in here, and the beach.